Hello everyone, welcome back to Manufacturing Insights. If you have watched my previous videos on PPDS scheduling, setup matrix, and alert monitor, thank you for your support. In those videos, we learned how SAP creates a feasible production schedule. But here is an interesting question. Is the first schedule always the best schedule? Imagine you have hundreds of production orders, multiple machines, limited capacity, different setup times, and several planning constraints. As a production planner, how do you determine the best production sequence? That's exactly where the PPDS Optimizer comes into the picture. In today's video, we will understand what the PPDS Optimizer is, why we need it, how it works, what it tries to improve, and how it helps production planners create better schedules. So let's get started. Before understanding the optimizer, let's quickly review the PPDS planning process. It all starts with the customer demand. Based on this demand, PPDS heuristics generate plan orders. Scheduling then assigns dates, times, and resources while considering available capacity. At this stage, SAP has created a feasible production schedule. However, feasible does not always mean optimal. There could still be unnecessary setup changes, overloaded resources, or an inefficient production sequence. This is where the PPDS optimizer adds value. Instead of accepting the initial schedule, it evaluates different scheduling alternatives and searches for a better production sequence while respecting planning constraints. In simple terms, heuristics create the initial schedule, the optimizer improves that schedule. Why do we need the PPDS optimizer? Let's understand this with a practical example. Imagine a manufacturing plant receives 100 production orders. These orders have to be scheduled across only a few production resources. Every resource has a limited available capacity. Different products require different setup times. Some machines have alternative resources, while others don't. Certain orders have higher planning importance than others. As a planner, deciding the best production sequence manually becomes extremely difficult. Even for a small number of orders, there are thousands of possible scheduling combinations. Evaluating every possible sequence manually is practically impossible. This is exactly why SAP provides the PPDS optimizer. The optimizer evaluates multiple scheduling alternatives and selects sequence that best improves the production schedule while respecting planning constraints. So, what exactly is the PPDS optimizer? The PPDS optimizer is an advanced scheduling engine within SAP PPDS. Unlike heuristics, which execute predefined planning rules, the optimizer evaluates different scheduling possibilities before selecting an improved schedule. It doesn't create the production orders from scratch. Instead, it works on the existing production schedule generated by heuristics and scheduling. You can think of the optimizer as a decision support engine. It continuously evaluates the different operation sequence and resource assignments to improve the overall production schedule while respecting all scheduling constraints. Heuristics versus optimizer. This comparison is very important. PPDS heuristics are rule-based. They execute predefined planning logic and quickly generate a feasible production schedule. Their biggest advantage is speed. The optimizer works differently. Instead of following a fixed planning rule, it evaluates multiple scheduling alternatives before selecting an improved production sequence. In many manufacturing organizations, planners first execute heuristics to quickly generate a feasible production schedule. Once the initial schedule is available, they execute the optimizer to improve the sequence by reducing setup changes, resolving capacity conflicts, and creating a more efficient production schedule. In other words, heuristics create, the optimizer improves. Let's now understand the complete process. Customer demand creates planning requirements. PPDS heuristics generate plan orders. Scheduling assigns operations to resources and calculates start and finish date. At this stage, the scheduling is feasible. The optimizer then analyzes this schedule. It evaluates different operation sequence. It considers resource capacities, calendars, setup times, operation relationship, and eligible alternative resources. Finally, it generates an improved production schedule that is more efficient and better suited for execution on the shop floor. Now, let's answer another important question. What exactly is the optimizer trying to improve? First, it tries to reduce setup changes. By grouping similar products together, unnecessary machine changeovers can be minimized, resulting in higher productive machine time. Second, it improves the production sequence. Instead of simply accepting the first sequence generated during planning, the optimizer evaluates multiple possibilities to identify a better order sequence. Third, it helps resolve capacity overloads. When an eligible alternative resource is available, operations may be reassigned to create a more balanced production schedule. It can also utilize alternative resources where they have been defined in the planning model. Another important objective is to improve schedule adherence by creating a more realistic production schedule that can be executed successfully on the shop floor. One point to remember is that the PPDS optimizer is not a material planning engine. Material planning is normally completed earlier through MRP and PPDS heuristics. The optimizer focuses only on improving the detailed production schedule. So, the goal is not a just feasible schedule, but a better schedule. While improving the schedule, the optimizer must always respect planning constraints. It cannot create an unrealistic production schedule. First, it considers available resource capacity. Every machine has limited available hours. Next, it respects the resource calendar, including working shift, holidays, and maintenance periods. The setup matrix is another important constraint. Different products transitions require different setup times, and the optimizer uses this information to reduce unnecessary changeovers. It also maintains operation relationship. Operations must follow the routing sequence defined in SAP. When eligible alternative resources are available, the optimizer may use them to reduce bottlenecks. Finally, scheduling direction, forward or backward scheduling, is also respected during optimization. The important point is that the optimizer never ignores these constraints. It searches for the best production schedule within the planning boundaries. Let's understand this with a practical manufacturing example. Suppose 3 production orders need to be processed on the same machine. If we simply follow the initial sequence, the machine requires several long setup changes between products. The optimizer evaluates the alternative sequence. It groups similar products together wherever possible. As a result, setup times are reduced. The machine spends more time producing and less time performing changeovers. This leads to better machine utilization, shorter production lead time, and a more efficient production schedule. This is one of the biggest advantages of the PPDS Optimizer. Let's summarize the business benefits. The PPDS Optimizer improves production sequencing. It reduces unnecessary setup changes. It helps balance production load across available resources. It creates more realistic production schedule. It improves planner productivity by reducing manual scheduling efforts. It also helps improve delivery performance through better scheduling decisions. Overall, organizations benefit from improved production efficiency and a better utilization of available manufacturing resources. So far, we have understood the concept of the PPDS optimizer. This is how it looks inside SAP. Here, you can see the optimizer profile where we define optimization settings. This is the PPDS planning board before optimization. After executing the optimizer, SAP generates an improved schedule and the optimizer log provides execution details. I won't go into the screens today because each of them deserves a dedicated video and we will cover them one by one in the upcoming sessions. Let's quickly recap today's session. The PPDS Optimizer is an advanced scheduling engine within SAP PPDS. It does not replace heuristics. Instead, it improves the production schedule created by heuristics and scheduling. It evaluates multiple scheduling alternatives instead of following only predefined planning rules. It helps reduce setup changes, improve production sequencing, and resolve capacity conflicts while respecting planning constraints. Together with the heuristics and scheduling, the PPDS Optimizer enables organizations to create efficient, realistic, and executable production schedules. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this session helped you to understand the PPDS Optimizer in a simple and practical way. If you found this video useful, please support the channel by clicking the like button and subscribe to Manufacturing Insights. If you have any questions or would like me to cover a specific PPDS topic, let me know in the comment section. In the next video, we will explore the PPDS Optimizer profile, where we will understand the key configuration settings and how they influence the optimization process. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.